Good morning, students. I hope you all will be fine at your home. Welcome to your maths class. As you know, in our previous video, we have already discussed about different types of numbers like natural numbers, which start from 1 to 3 and up to so on, whole numbers, which start from 0, 1 to 3 up to so on. After that, integers, the collection of positive, negative numbers including 0 is called integers. Rational numbers, which are in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0. So dear, after understanding all these definitions, here is a most important result. The result is that natural numbers starts from 1 and goes up to infinity. Whole numbers start from 0 and goes up to infinity. After that, integers are the collection of all negative and all positive numbers including 0. Okay. So it means we can say that rational numbers are the collection of natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Means every natural number is a rational number, every whole number is a rational number, every integer is a rational number. All types of numbers, that would be the collection of natural, whole and integer. These are called rational numbers. Okay. Suppose we are having one number 0. So 0 is also called rational number. How? If we just write down 1 in its denominator, so it becomes 0 by 1 and it would be in the form of p by q. So when our fraction is in the form of when we are having any number and that would be in the form of p by q, in that case we can say that this would be related to rational number, but the condition is that q must not be equal to 0. जो q है ना बच्चे, वो 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. p के लिए ऐसी कोई कंडीशन नहीं है. सो p 0 है, डजेंट मैटर, बट वी हैव टू चेक द डिनोमिनेटर. If denominator is 0, so it means that it would not be included in the rational numbers. Okay, got it? Now we can say that as we know that between any two rational numbers, infinite rational numbers lie. Means to say bache, when we are having any two rational numbers, okay, suppose on this number line we just have 1 and 2. These both are rational number na. How? Because we can make it by putting 1 in its denominator. अब ये 1 by 1 बन गया, ये 2 by 1 बन गया. It means these are rational numbers. Okay, so between 1 and 2 you just see there would be number of rational numbers lie na. Means to say 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 up to 1.9. Okay, and main point is that कि हम इनमें और भी पॉइंट्स के बीच के रेशनल नंबर्स फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. सपोज इट इज 1 by 1, so we just write it in the form of 1.0 and here it is given 1.10. okay, so अब आप 1.0 और 1.10 के बीच के भी रेशनल नंबर्स निकाल सकते हो. हाउ कैन वी डू दैट? 1.0, 1.01, 1.02, 1.03, 1.04 up to infinity. Means to say that would be proved that every in between every two rational numbers, किसी भी टाइप के आपको rational numbers given हो, in between them infinite rational numbers lie. Okay, got it till here? So now dear, we are going to start the next topic 2, named how to find out rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Explain this topic through the example. So your first example is find 4 rational numbers between 1 and 2. आपको 1 और 2 के बीच के 4 rational numbers बताने हैं. Firstly, can you say that 1 is a rational number? Yes, because when we just put 1 in its denominator, it becomes in the form of p by q, and same it would be here. If we are putting 2 by 1, it would be also a rational number. Okay, when the number is in the form of p by q, in that case we can say that these are called rational numbers. So 1 by 1 and 2 by 1, these are two rational numbers, and now we have to find out 4 rational numbers between them. सो जितने नंबर हमें फाइंड आउट करने होते हैं ना, फर्स्टली हमारा जो फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है वो क्या होता है, वी जस्ट ऐड 1 इन दैट नंबर, उस नंबर में 1 ऐड कर दो. सो 4 + 1 5. अब आपको क्या करना है नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, वट एवर नंबर यू आर हैविंग, जो भी आपके पास 2 नंबर्स हैं, यू जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई द सेम नंबर विद इट्स डिनोमिनेटर एंड नुमरेटर. नुमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 5 की. एंड वट यू गॉट इन द प्रोडक्ट, 1 5 = 5, 1 5 = 5. And here is also be 2 5 = 10, 1 5 = 5. Now 5/5 and 10/5. So in between these two numbers, 5/5 and 10/5, you just have to find out 4 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. And the numbers are 5/5 and 10/5. So the numbers in between them, that 6/5, 7/5, 8/5, 9/5. These are the numbers. What are the numbers? 6/5, 7/5, 8/5 and 9/5. These are the 4 numbers that would be in between the 5/5 and 10/5. Okay, got the point? Now same topic with any other example. So for that we will take the example number 2, and what is given in that, that find 2 rational numbers between -1/5 and 2/3. अब आपको बच्चे 2 रैशनल नंबर्स निकालने हैं इन बिटवीन -1/5 एंड 2/3. ओके, सो योर फर्स्ट स्टेप, आपका फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है बच्चे, अब आप ये देखिए, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट नंबर्स यू जस्ट सी -1/5 एंड 2/3. दीज टाइप्स ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड अनलाइक नंबर्स. Unlike numbers, why we called it? Because you just see in the denominator of this number it would be 5, and in here in this number what you are having 3. So these are different now, so we just called it denominators are unlike, कि denominators unlike है. So our first point, in according to the first step, what we have to do, firstly make the denominators like, denominators को equal करना है, इक्वल बनाना है, उनको अनलाइक से लाइक में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू टेक एलसीएम. ओके, सो वी जस्ट टेक द एलसीएम फॉर दैट 3 5 और 3, 3 1s are 3, 5 1s are 5 and 3 5s are 15. So 15 is the LCM. If 15 is the LCM, according to the second step, what you have to do, you have to make your denominators as equal to its LCM. अब आपको उन दोनों नंबर्स के जो डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं, नंबर्स क्या थे आपके पास बच्चे, -1/5 एंड फॉर हेयर इट इज़ 2/3. अब आपको इनके जो डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं ना बच्चे, इन डिनोमिनेटर्स को आपको इक्वल बनाना है किसके, इनके एलसीएम के, एंड द एलसीएम इज 15. सो यू जस्ट डू दैट, -1/5, अब 5 की मल्टीप्लाई किससे करोगे आप, 15 आपको रिसीव हो जाए. ऑफ कोर्स इट वुड बी फ्रॉम 3. So you just multiply the numerator and denominator with 3, and what you got, -3 and 5 3s are 15, and here it is also 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. Okay, so -3/15 और 10/15 के बीच के आपको 2 नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. तो -3/15 में क्या आएगा, आप कोई भी 2 नंबर्स आप ले सकते हो. सो आई विल जस्ट टेक -2/15 and 9/15. Okay, so that would be your conclusion. Okay.
Thank you. Have a nice day.